Tina, and in this arpeggio video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play a B-flat major arpeggio on the B-flat clarinet. So this is our B-flat. So we're going to start right here. You have B-flat, and then lift up those two for D. Then you have F, throat tone B-flat, over the break to D. Then you lift up for F. Now, this is one of my favorite fingerings that you can use, but your clarinet has to be an adjustment right here at the bridge key. So if that's out and you have any little bit of leak, this fingering I'm going to show you will not work. So we were on F. If you keep F down and lift up these two, that's a B flat. It's a little low to me on my clarinet, so I just raise my tongue position to help bring that up. If that isn't working on your instrument, you can do side B flat right here. So there's more that can go wrong with that one, so it's not quite as clean as going from here to here, but you have a couple of options for your top B flat. So we're starting at our top B flat right here, 1 and 1. Thumb is down with the register key in the back for that one. Return to the F by dropping these two. Then you have D. Throat tone B flat right here. Keep your thumb close by because you're just rolling it into F, D, and then B flat right there. You heard a little bit of a grunt the first time I did it through just now, and then I fixed it. So that is kind of a problem with that 1 and 1 B flat. So just make sure that it works well in your clarinet before you commit to using it. Thanks for watching. If you have any clarinet tutorials you'd like me to go over, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.